Hi, so I wanted to show you a couple of things that I got in the sales, and I've been waiting to kind of have it all together in the same place for the longest time, and it's just not happening. So I'm going to start with what I have right now here with me. I'll show you this, and then I'll continue in different moments with different stuff. So I'm going to start by this scarf. I got this scarf yesterday in Phoenix, and Phoenix is a really good place to visit if you're not sure where to go, because they have everything, and they usually have it in stock longer than other places, because most girls, they just don't end up there for some reason, or they don't know that they're gonna have certain brands, and they have really good stuff. For instance, they always have the Missoni scarves on sale. This is from a brand called Lily and Lionel, which I did not know when I bought it, but it's 100% silk. It feels absolutely amazing. It's a pashmina. And this brand is renowned for using very beautiful patterns. So this one has flowers. I really like the color scheme. I thought it was really soft and very retro and very warm. Just really beautiful for winter. Very naive. It's gonna be a really good one to wear with black stuff or more dreary stuff. I'm really liking florals for winter, actually. So that's one thing that I was really excited to get. Then I got these shirts that I've shown you already in my Instagram, and this is from Made in Heaven Jeans, one of my favorite brands, and this is called their Poet shirt. That might be relevant to why I got it, but I just loved it. I think it's a really nice retro print. The fabric is beautiful. It's a really fine, soft cotton. You can feel that it's very good quality, and the pattern is very good. I can see right now the stitching is impeccable. So it's just a really beautiful piece that, as always, it's worth getting it on sale if you can. And I can envision myself wearing this over breakfast with just some comfortable, natural, original denim. And then I got a set of stationery, which I am absorbed by this kind of stationery. This is all from Smythson. I'll start by the smallest bit. This is a passport cover. And it's a really gorgeous croc embossed, they call it their Mara collection. And as you know, Smythson, sorry, it's pronounced Smythson, I keep forgetting that. They're a really good leather and stationery company from London, from Bond Street actually. It's called Smythson of Bond Street. And they are famous for their diaries, usually. I was going to say organizers, but I think they're more famous for their diaries, but I like their organizers. They have this fashion diary that everybody in Fashion Week is always getting. So I got the passport cover in this Mara shade, and it was at 60% off everything. I waited right until the end, because I know they usually get there. And I was really wanting a pink color of this. So I got this. I'll do the unboxing with you. This I got in their Sloan Square store. I was stalking them to find where they had one that was completely new, like in the stockroom. So it comes beautifully packaged like this. And this is a writing folder, which I got this because I am gonna use a planner. I use a lot of planners and agendas. I like writing things down. So I have a journal, I have like a bullet point journal, then I have the notebook where I write art stuff in, like lyrics, or then I have one more for ideas and more businessy stuff. And usually I have notebooks such as this one from Clairefontaine. I love this notebook. The paper is fantastic. And it has just the most beautiful, everything about it is just spot on there. It's sewed in instead of glued. It has the marker, it has this rubber band that you can hold it with, so it's great. But then sometimes I want to carry it in some more structured way. So for that, the writing folder is great, because the writing folder, what it is literally a zipped folder. It's so gorgeous. And you can put even really soft booklets in it, so you can put the softer Clairefontaine or the softer Moleskine. If you like your stationery, you know what I mean. And it has these bits on the sides where you can insert it, these flaps. One here and one here. It actually comes with a notebook from Smythson. So it has all these pockets, and just one pocket here and one for the pen. And the zipped one is quite nice because you can use it to write on, of course. It can be a support, but also because it zips, your pages are not going to go everywhere if you put it into a backpack or a bag or whatever. I've been carrying my notebooks with me lately because I find that I just need to write all the time. So I am so excited about this writing folder. And then I also, this was really bad of me, but I thought the price was so good that it was now or never. So I got the agenda in the largest format, which I have never had the largest. It came with the ribbon and everything, because this I ordered online a while ago. So this is their large agenda, and it's the same Mara, same style, kind of leather and color, but this is their organizer. So you have the binder rings. I don't have the 2018 diary because I'm not sure I'm gonna use it as a diary with dates. I think maybe I'll just use it for sections. Comes with some paper, which I will probably replace. So this is just a fantastic, this is gonna be my business organizer. I have others that I've been using. I have a mulberry one that I really like, but I just really wanted a pink one. I've been wanting a pink one for so long. I know it's kind of tacky of me, but I'm tacky like that. I love it. And I can't wait to go everywhere with my pink organizer. It's just, I'm so excited. So now I have this business organizer for more business stuff, and then I have my writing folder for when I just want to take maybe a few journals. Because my instinct is that soon what I'm going to do is, instead of buying these bigger structured notebooks, I'm going to get the thinner one, so I don't have to carry such a big notebook with me when I just want to be writing ideas for podcasts, or, well, not ideas, I write the whole article down, but still I can write it somewhere that's not a book, and then I can put those little booklets, the ones that are just stapled, I can put that into the writing folder. That's the idea.